Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the overlay and giving Discord the rights it needs. Open Settings, go to Overlay, and turn on Enable in-game Overlay. This lets Discord draw on top of the game. Once done, add the game under Activity Status and flip the overlay for that specific title. You should also run Discord as administrator so it can access game rendering. On Windows, right-click the app and choose Run as administrator. These steps remove the common permission and registration blockers. Next, focus on capture stability and rendering conflicts. If the overlay flickers or won't show, turn off hardware acceleration in Discord because GPU contexts can conflict. Make sure the game activity entry matches the game executable. Mismatches prevent the overlay from attaching, so relaunch the game after editing. If you still have problems, try disabling full-screen optimizations in the game executable or switch to borderless windowed mode. This often resolves exclusive full-screen capture issues while preserving performance. Finally, finalize fixes and handle lingering issues. Update Discord and your GPU drivers, then restart the PC to apply driver-level changes. Many overlay bugs disappear after a clean boot. Make sure other overlays like Steam, NVIDIA GeForce Experience, or Riva Tuner are disabled because two overlays can conflict. If the overlay still fails, try reinstalling Discord or create a new Windows user profile to rule out corrupted user settings. If everything else fails, that reinstall or fresh profile usually clears stubborn configuration errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.